So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today the topic that we're gonna do is nothing but ages. Why ages? Because it is an extended thing of your topic ratio. Okay, that's why we are doing this ages. Okay, so this lecture gonna be a very beautiful lecture. Most probably we will try to wrap this up within 2 lectures. We're not gonna extend it, and we will do only the relevant questions and only one question of each type, or maybe 2 questions of each type, just for you to understand. So please make sure you watch this lecture till the end, and if you have not watched the previous lectures, then start watching those lectures as well. I have already covered 3 classes of percentage, 4 classes of ratio. So far we have covered 7 lectures. So we'll move forward now. We are given the sum of the ages of two sisters is 81. Okay, the ratio of the ages is 4 is to 5. How many years is one sister younger than the other? There are two sisters, the ratio is this. What else is given? The sum of the ages. Okay, the sum of the ages means 9 part is nothing but 81. If 9 part is 81, one part is how much? 9. One part is 9. How many years is one sister younger than the other? Nothing but we have to find the difference. Okay, what is the difference of this? One part, and one part is nothing but here 9 years only. So option A. Even if you would have done like this, 5 nines are 45 and 4 nines are 36, then also you would have got 9 years only. Okay, the ages of Ram and Raj are in the ratio 4 is to 5. If the sum of the ages is 1 to 6, then find the difference between their ages. This is nothing but 9 part is given as 126, because they have told us the sum of the ages. One part is how much? 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36. Okay, we need to find the difference between the ages. What is the difference between them? It is one part, and one part is nothing but your 14 years only. Simple. Srinivas has recently married a girl 4 years younger than him. After 5 years, the average age will be 33. Guys, I will solve this question when I will do your average topic. Okay, that time it will be more clear. My father is currently 25 years older than me. 5 years ago, the sum of our ages was 39 years. Find my present age. See, my father is currently 25 years older than me. If this is me, my age is X, and my father is 25 years older than me, means X plus 25. What are we given next? 5 years ago, the sum of our ages was 39. 5 years ago, what will be my age will be? It will be X minus 5. What will be my father's age 5 years ago? X plus 25 minus 5. And this is nothing but 39 only. So X plus X, this is nothing but 2X plus 25 minus 5 means 25 minus 10, that is 15, is nothing but 39. So 2X is how much? It is nothing but 9 minus 5 is 4, 3 minus 1 is 2. So X is nothing but your X is nothing but 12. Okay, if X is 12, find my present age. What I have considered my present age as X, so my present age is 12. अगर पापा के बारे में पूछ लेते then 25 plus 12 it would have become 37 years. Okay, now the sum of the ages of P and Q. Sum of the ages of P and Q is 15 years more than the sum of the ages of Q and R. Okay, find then how many years is R younger than P. In other way they are asking you P R अपेक्षा कितल्या वर्षांनी वाढला. Okay, so we can see this Q and this Q gets cancelled. If we get this R this side, P minus R is nothing but 15. So they are nothing but they are asking you the difference only, which is 15 years. Okay, the ages of P, Q and R are in the ratio this. 8 years ago R age was equal to Q's present age. There are 3 people P, Q and R. They are in the ratio 4x, 7x and 9x. Just for our solving purpose we are consider this as x now. Okay, we are given 8 years ago our age. 8 years ago 9x is the present age of R. 8 years ago he will be 9x minus 8. It was equal to Q's present age. What is Q's present age? 7x. 9 minus 7x is nothing but 2x is 8. Therefore x is 4. What is the sum of the present ages? We have to add this. Okay, 9 plus 7 is how much? 16. 16 plus 4 is how much? 20x. If x is 4, 20x is how much? 80. 8 years. Simple. A father had a 12-year-old son. Okay, father had a 12-year-old son. At the time of the son's birth, the father's age was 3 times the son's present age. What is the age of the father? Okay, let father be X. A father had a 12-year-old son at the time of the son's birth. Okay, at the time of the son's birth. So this is nothing but X minus 12 is nothing but 3 times the son's present age. 3 into 12. Okay, 3 into 12, because they are asking us the present age, right? So X minus 12 is nothing but 36. X is 12 plus 36, which is 48 years old. Okay, I hope you understood this. The difference of ages of Radha and Murari is 12 years. 5 years ago, the sum of the ages was 28. If Radha's age is more than Murari age, then find Murari's present age. Okay, we are given the difference between Radha and Murari. Also, we have told that Radha is elder than Murari. Okay, so this is Radha minus Murari given as 12, equation 1. Also, we are given that 5 years ago, the sum of the ages was 28. 5 years ago means if Radha is R, 5 years ago she will be R minus 5. If Murari is M, 5 years ago she will be M minus M, and their sum is 28. So R plus M minus 10 is 28. R plus M is nothing but 38. Okay, this is your equation 2. So R plus M is 38. We will write this over here. R plus M is 38. Okay, this minus n and plus n gets cancelled. 2R is nothing but 0, 3, 4, 5. So R is 25. If your R is 25, then what is Murari's present age? If you substitute this in this equation, one equation, then Murari is nothing but 13. Okay, option C. Jeremy is 26 years younger than her father. Okay, Jeremy is 26 years younger than her father. If Jeremy is X, her father will be X plus 26. We can write it this way also. If we consider father as X, Jeremy will be X minus 26. Simple. After 8 years from now, his father's age will be 2 years less than twice his own age. Okay, who is his own age? His means Jeremy. Okay, they are telling me after 8 years. After 8 years, Jeremy will be what? X plus 8. After 8 years, father will be what? X plus 26 plus 8. Just remember this. Okay, so after 8 years, father's age will be X plus 26 plus 8 will be 2 years less than twice his own age. 2x plus 8 minus 2. So your father's age will be 2 years less than twice his own age, means Jeremy's age. Okay, we have to solve this equation now. Okay, we are solving this equation now. So x plus 34 equals to 2x plus 16 minus 2, which is 14. Okay, we take everything this side. So 34 plus 2 is 36 minus 16 is x. So x is how much? So your x is 20. What is Jeremy's present age? We had considered Jeremy as x and we had considered father as x plus 26. So Jeremy is 20 years old. अगर वो पापा के बारे में पूछ लेते then it would have been 46. Okay, this would have been your father's age. The sum of the ages of 5 children born at an interval of 5 years age is 80. This is nothing but we are given that one child he is born now after 5 years. This is your second child. Again after more 5 years. This is your third child. Again after more 5 years. This is your fourth child. 1, 2, 3, 4. And after again more 5 years. This is your fifth child. And this is nothing but 80. Okay, so this is your first child, second child, third child, fourth child, fifth child. We are just adding 5, 5, 5 because the gap is of 5 years. Okay, so this is nothing but 5x plus is how much? 5 plus 10 15, 15 plus 15 30, 30 plus 20 is 50, which is 80. 5x is nothing but 30, x is 6. If x is 6, what is the age of the youngest child? This is the youngest child. He is 6 years old. If they had asked her what is the age of the eldest child, then it would have been 20 plus 6, that is 26. Okay. If they had asked her about the second child, then it would have been 6 plus 5, that is 11. Like that. Okay. They can ask you anything. The sum of the ages of 4 children born 2 years apart is 28. You should solve this by your own on the same concept. Now, instead of 5, the gap is of 2 years. Okay. The present age of two person are 46 and 60 years respectively. If after n years the ratio of the ages will become how much? See guys, this is 46 and this is 60, plus n plus n, then ratio becomes 4 is to 5. If you go to solve this, it will be a very lengthy thing to solve, multiply, then subtract, etc, etc. I will let you know how to solve this using options only. We are given two person, this is 46 and this is 16, and the ratio that we are getting after the n years have been added, it is 4 is to 5. So guys, if you take this 11, what do you get? 46 plus 11, you get 7, and this is 57. Here what do you get? 71. Is 71, can it be cancelled by something? No, I don't think. 71 is a prime number, it cannot be cancelled by anything, right? So your 11 is not your 11 years is not your option. If we add 10 years over here, it becomes 56. If we add 10 years, it becomes 70. We can cancel this using 4. 14 fours are 14 fives are, so this is satisfied. Okay, this is satisfied. Okay, so with the options you can play this thing. Okay, the age difference between two brothers and sisters is 7 years. If the sum of the ages is 21 years, what is the age of the youngest among the siblings? See, there are two brothers. This is your brother and sister. The difference between them is 7, and the sum of the ages is 21. Plus minus gets cancelled. 2b is nothing but 28. B is nothing but 14. If B is 14, then what is S? S is nothing but 7. Okay, so what is the age of the youngest among the sibling? That is 7 years, and eldest would be 14 years. If they had asked you the sum of this, it would have been 21, which is already given. The ratio of the sum and difference of the ages of two brothers is 5 to 1. Okay, uh, let the ages of two brothers be 1. It can be x and other can be y. What we are given? The sum upon the difference. What is this ratio? 5 to 1. If you solve this, what do you get? X plus y is 5x minus 5y. Okay, 5x minus 5y. So uh, 5y plus y is nothing but 6y, and 5x minus x, it is nothing but 4x. So x upon y, it is how much? 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Okay, also we are given that the product of the ages is 96. Consider this as 3k and 2k. Okay, so we are given 6k square is nothing but 96. K square is 16, therefore k is how much? 4. If k is 4, find the ages. This will be nothing but 12, and this will be nothing but 8. So 12 and 8 are the ages. Option A. Simple. The average age of father, mother, and two children in a family is 26. There is father, there is mother, plus two children. The average age is 26. What is the sum of the ages then? It is nothing but 26 into these two people and these two people, that is 4. 4 6 are 24, 4 2 is 8, 9 10. And we are given that the sum of the ages of father and this two children, it is nothing but 62. Then find the age of the mother. We have to subtract this. Simple. 4 minus 2 is 2. 10 minus 6 is 4. 42 years. Simple. The ratio of the present ages of Mahindra and Zahid is 6 is to 7. 15 years ago, their ages were in the ratio 9 is to 11. What is the present age of Mahindra? Okay. And this is Mahindra. Okay. One second. This is Mahindra. This is Zahid. Okay. The present age is nothing but 6 is to 7. 15 years ago, 15 years ago, their ages were in the ratio 9 is to 11. What did I tell you yesterday? Immediately check for the thing if they are balanced. Difference is 1, difference is 2. This is not balanced. So what we have to do, we have to balance this, multiply this by 2. So 9 is to 11, and 6 2s are 12, 7 2s are 14. Now this is balanced. Okay, now this is balanced, and even this also is balanced now. Okay, so this is how much part? 3 part. This is how much part? 3 part. And this 3 part is nothing but your 15 years only. So one part is how much? 5 years. What is the present age of Mahindra? What's the present age of Mahindra? It is nothing but 12 part key value. 12 5s are 60 years. So option C. Okay. If they had asked you about Zahid, it would have been 14 5s are, it would have been 70. Okay. The sum of the ages of father and son is 45 years old. The product of his age 5 years ago was 4 times his father's age as that time. Okay. Let this be father. Let father. Okay. Once again. Let son be x, father be y. Okay. The sum of the ages is nothing but x plus y is 45. And the product of their ages 5 years ago, that is x minus 5, y minus 5 is nothing but 4 times his father's age at that time, which is 5 years ago only. So this and this gets cancelled. So x minus 5 is 4. Therefore x is how much? 9. If x is 9, then what is y? 45 minus 9, that is 36. So what is the present age of father? Father we have considered as y, and what is the value of y? 36. So option A. Okay. The ratio of the present age of Monu and Sonu is 3 is to 4. The ratio of the ages of Monu 5 years ago and the Sonu after 5 years is 2 is to 5. Okay. This is Monu and this is Sonu. Consider this as 3x, consider this as 4x. Okay. 3x and 4x. So 3x and 4x. The ratio of the ages of Monu 5 years ago means minus 5, and the Sonu after 5 years means plus 5. This ratio is given as 2 is to 5. Okay, we cross multiply. 5 3s are 15x minus 25 equals to 8x plus 10. 15 minus 8 is nothing but 7x. 25 plus 10 is 35. Therefore x is 5. If x is 5, find the present age of Monu, that is 3x. 3x is nothing but 3 into 5, which is 15 years. Okay. So guys, this is a very important problem. Pravina was 4 times the age of her daughter. 6 years from now, Pravina's age will be 7 years more than twice the age of her daughter. Guys, let 1 year ago, let Pravina be 4x and her daughter be x. After that, what is given? 6 years from now, Pravina's age will be 7 years more. See guys, this is present. 1 year ago, her age was this, and after 6 years her age is something. So what is the gap between this? 7 years. So actually the difference is of 7 years. Okay, the difference is of 7 years. So Pravina's age will be what? 4x plus 7 will be twice the 7. Okay, so Pravina's age will be 7 years more than twice the age of her daughter. Pravina's age will be 7 years more than twice the age of her daughter. So 4x plus 7 equals to 2x plus 2 sevens are 14 plus 7 is nothing but 21. Okay, so 4x minus 2x is 2x. 21 minus 7 is nothing but 14. So x is nothing but 7. Find the sum of the present ages. What is the sum of the present ages, by the way? Present ages. Since your x is 7, we need to find the sum of the present ages now. See guys, what we knew. This is the present age. This was the age 1 year ago. And 1 year ago, what was the ratio? This only. Okay. If we want to come to the present, we have to add plus 1 for both of them. So it is nothing but 4x plus 1 plus x plus 1. That means 4 sevens are 28 plus 1 plus 7 plus 1, that is 8. So 28 plus 1, it is 29. 29 plus 8, it is nothing but 37 years. Simple. I hope this is tricky, but please do watch it again. Okay. 5 years ago, Roshan was 3 times as old as Preeti. If the difference between the ages is 6 years, then find Preeti's present age. Very important, or conceptually important. This is your present 5 years ago. This is Roshan and this is Preeti. Roshan was 3 times as old as Preeti. If the difference between the ages is 6 years, this is nothing but the difference between them is nothing but 2. 2 is nothing but 6 years. So one part is how much? 3 years. Then find Preeti's present age. This is Preeti. Okay. Preeti will be how much? 3 years. But this is not the present age of Preeti. This was the age 5 years ago. So to get to the present age, we have to add this 5 years. Means 8 years. So this is the present age of Preeti. If we had asked about Roshan, then what would have been? 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 5, 14. Okay, 14 years would have been Roshan's age. 5 years ago, okay, this is your present. 5 years ago, this is your X and Y. X was 3 times as old as Y. 10 years later, X was twice as old as Y. What is the first thing I've told you to see? If they are balanced. Are they balanced? No. Ratio is 1, ratio is 2. So you have to balance this. So X is to Y is nothing but 3 is to 1, and 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now it is balanced. Okay. And it is balanced in such a way that this one part value is nothing but your 15. See, from the present it is 5, and from the present it is plus 10. So what is the actual difference between them? One part is nothing but 15. If one part is 15, what is the present age of X? If we find X over here, 3 part, 3 5s are 15 is 45. 45 plus how much? Plus 5, because this 3 part was 5 years ago. To come to the present, we have to add this 3 part by plus 5. Okay, so one part is 15, 3 part is 45. 45 plus 5 is how much? 50 years. So that is the present age of X. In a family, the age of the father is 5 times the age of the son. Okay, the age of the father is 5 times the age of one of his son, that is S1. The age of the mother is nothing but 4 times her second son. The difference of the age of the parents is half the sum of the age of the son. Okay, difference between the age of the parents is nothing but half the age of the son. F minus M is how much? This is nothing but 5 times S1 minus 4 times S2, which is nothing but half of S1 plus S2. Okay, so 2 5s are 10 S1 minus 8 S2 equals to S1 plus S2. So 10 S1 minus S1 is nothing but 9 S1 equals to 9 S2. So that means both of the ages are same, that means they are twins. Okay, a father said to his son, I was of the same age as you at the time of your birth. If the present age of father is 40 years, what was the age of the son 5 years ago? सो बेजिकली तो चल्याचो बापूय तेका तें म्हणटा, जेन्ना तूं जल्मात आयिल्लो तेन्ना आतां तूं जितल्या एजीचो आसा पळय आनी जेन्ना तूं जल्मात आयिल्लो तितल्याच एजीचो आव आशिल्लो. सो दॅट मीन्स वी डोंट नो दी एज ऑफ द फादर. लेट इज कन्सिडर दिस एज एक्स. Where when father was X years, he was 0 years old. Okay, this is father and this is son. When father was X years, the son was 0 years old because that time only he was born. Now when father is 40, he is something X, we don't know. How do we find this? This is your initial, this is your final age. Okay, so we can do nothing but final minus initial, that is 40 minus X is nothing but X minus 0. Okay, 40 is nothing but 2X, therefore X is nothing but 20. So जेन्ना बापूय 20 वर्साचो आशिल्लो तेन्ना चलो तेन्ना जल्मात आयिल्लो. जेन्ना बापूय 40 वर्साचो जालो तेन्ना चलो 20 वर्साचो आसा. Okay, so what was the age of the son 5 years ago? Present age is 20. 5 years ago he will be 15 years. Okay, the sum of the ages of a man and his son is 68. This is your man and this is his son, they are 68. The sum of the ages is 68. After 5 years the man's age will be, after 5 years man will be M plus 5, son will be S plus 5. Okay, so man's age after 5 years will be 5 times the son's age. M plus 5 is nothing but 5S minus 25. So M plus 25 by the way. So M minus 5S is nothing but 20. Okay, So now we'll write the same value over here. Okay, m minus 5s is 20. M minus 5s is 20. So we can do this minus plus and minus. So plus and minus get cancelled. 5s 6s, 5s plus 5s is nothing but 6s. 68 minus 20 is nothing but 40. So s is 8. Okay, what is the present age of the sun? That is, sun is nothing but 8 years old. Okay, Ram's father's age is twice that of Ram. This is father, this is Ram. Ram's father's age is twice that of Ram. Ram's father's 8 years ago. Okay, means minus 8 years ago. Ram's father's age was 2.5 times of Ram, means 5 by 2. Ram's father's age was 2.5 times of Ram, means father was 5 and Ram was 2. Okay, what is the present age of Ram? What is the first thing that you have to see if it is balanced? No, difference is 1, difference is 3. So make this balance. Father and Ram, multiply this by 3. 2 3 are 6, this 3 and 5 and 2. Now this is balanced. Okay, now this is balanced. What is the value of this? One part. Okay, one part is nothing but your 8 only. If one part is 8, what is the present age of Ram? What is the present age of Ram? This is nothing but 3. 3 8s are 24 years old. Okay, so guys, this problem I want you to solve it by yourself as a homework. Okay, this is based on the same concept. You just have to see the difference, the effective difference, and the effective difference between both the things, present and before, and the balancing of the ratio. Okay, so I want you to solve this problem by yourself. If you cannot solve, then let me know, and on my Telegram ID you can just message me. I will solve this for you. Okay, and I hope you like this video. Thank you so much if you have stayed here till the end, and from this I get to know that you are a serious aspirant. Okay, bye bye, take care, and see you soon in the next video of ratio.